Okay, so I like to start with the thin side. You can use the thicker side, but I always start with the thin side first, and if I start struggling, then I can switch to the big side. Okay, so there are 4 pieces of adhesive, one on each side. So one over here, one, 4 in total. I always start with the one at the top. So use the thin side to weaken the adhesive. The goal is not to remove it entirely, but you just want to weaken it a little bit so we can twist it and release it from the back of the tablet. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna be gentle with it. As you can see, I'm going along the sides, and I'm placing my thumb on top and the thin part underneath. I'm going along the edges, and look at the placement of my thumb. Very gentle. You don't need to rush. Okay, and that adhesive is weakened, so I'm gonna go to the other side, still at the top, and you can feel it. You can feel the plastic tool going through the adhesive, and the top 2 pieces of adhesive have already been weakened. So I'm gonna do the same for the bottom. As you can see, I'm going along the edges, and you can feel this. And that one is done. And now the last piece. And there you go. So now from there, I'm just gonna lift the tablet up and use my hand. It really depends. This depends on the tablets, but as you can see, it is still holding quite strong. So I'm gonna try to weaken even some more. Okay. Okay. And this should definitely do it. As you can see, you can already see it lifting up. And again, this tablet was used for testing purposes, so we really chose not to be careful with this tablet on purpose. But when it comes to your daily tablets, you want to be more careful. You want to take your time and do this the right way, because you definitely don't want to scratch it. And we managed to not make any damage, to not do any damage to it, and all these scratches and dents were already on the tablet. So yeah, just take your time and do this carefully, and that's it.